With a wig review. Today it is courtesy of Unice Wigs, and this is my first time reviewing a wig from Unice Wigs. It is an Amazon vendor. This is a mini kind of an unboxing styling video to show you how I style my wigs. And the box comes with the wig, of course, an elastic band, a wig cap, and a stock card that offers you hair care instructions. I wanted to also show you guys some of the other units that they offer on the site. I really want to do a blonde unit, and so these are some of their blonde varieties that they depict. And this final one right here is the one that I actually chose to review for you guys today. So here is the unit straight out of the packaging. As you can tell, the unit is much longer than what was depicted online. Yeah, so just get ready. If you get this unit, you're going to have to customize it, period. Yeah, if you want it to look like it looks like on the model, then yeah, you're going to have to do some changing. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I know a lot of YouTubers, wig reviewers cut their lace on their heads. I cannot cut the lace on my head, you guys. I don't know. For me, it's easier to cut the lace off of my head and then put it on and style it accordingly, but you let me know how you style your wigs. So the lace has been cut here. I'm going to put it on using or adjust the parting space using my Beauties concealer and pressed powder. And my Beauties concealer is in the color, I believe, 16, and my pressed powder is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Golden. And I was really pleased with the parting space on this unit. The lace is tinted. It's kind of light, but I mean, when you add your concealer and pressed powder, it kind of blends effortlessly. Here I'm just going to go ahead and try to style it somewhat. I'm already knowing that I'm going to have to cut the unit. This is a Remy hair texture unit. The lace frontal is 13 by 4, 150% density. Now I requested the 10-inch unit, but my unit looks like it's about 14 inches. It is very, very long. You may not have to cut your unit if they send you the 10-inch, but I know for a fact this is not a 10-inch unit. There are no combs in the front. There is a comb in the back. There is also lace in the back. I guess if you want to pin it up, but I'm not going to. The cap space is pretty average. I did not experience a lot of shedding, but I will tell you what I did experience was a lot of filler hairs, and you'll kind of see me in this video using a lot of hairspray to kind of tame the filler hairs. Right here, I'm just cutting the unit to my desired length, which I want to be kind of like a short bob. And I'm using these scissors and just cutting in a downward type of a motion. So now I'm going to try to smooth out this unit because of the filler hairs, get it laying down as flat as possible and try to minimize those filler hairs. And here I'm just using my electric hot comb. I have it on the setting 375 degrees, not too hot. It's not really needed to have it just steaming hot. Plus I know I'm going to go back over this with a flat iron. So I'm just trying to smooth this unit out as much as possible, and you'll see me do this several times. And here I must have did it off camera. I did spray the part with the little Got To Be hairspray, and now I am using a bandana to kind of help my hair lay down, and I let it stay on there for probably about 10 minutes. And here I'm just cleaning up the ends of me cutting the hair to my desired length. I think it came out pretty good. I'm not an expert on cutting, so if I can do it, you most certainly can do it as well. Here I'm just continuing to finish smoothing out the unit. And here I am using that Got To Be hairspray to kind of tame those filler hairs and those flyaways. But so far, I really like the way the unit is coming out. And you guys, I know I can see that concealer at the parting space. I didn't notice it to the very end, but all you have to do when you get excess residue on your parting space is use a makeup wipe to remove. I do catch it toward the end of the video, and I do clean it up. Some of the pros of this unit is that it's affordable and it's human hair quality. Well, it's human hair, and for it to be a human hair unit, it's pretty good quality. It takes very well to styling, and despite not getting the color I wanted, because to me this color isn't the color that's depicted in the online, but I still ended up liking it very much. It's very complimentary. It's a very pretty golden honey color. I also really like the parting space. The parting space is very, very nice. It blended very well into my skin. Some of the cons is that the color is not as depicted. You'll have to manage those filler hairs, and this unit is not a unit that you can just put on and go. You're going to have to customize this unit. There will be some cutting, there will be some alterations made. You're going to have to go in and flat iron, put some heat to this unit, but at the end of the day, for under $100, I feel like this unit is really, really nice. I'm very, very pleased with how it came out. You guys, this is my first time doing a styling video with my units in a very long time. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. If you want more styling videos on how I customize my units, make sure you leave a comment and thumbs up this video. And so, of course, I had to throw on the hoop earrings to give it the final pizzazz. I like the way this came out. It came out really, really nice. And I did not use glue, you guys. I don't like using glue on my units. I have not used glue since I stopped wearing 27-piece. And if you used to wear 27-piece, you know what I'm talking about. So until my next big review, I will see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.